This has been anything but a slow summer for traders. Let's bring in Joel Hawthorne of the Morning Snapshot. And Joel, a big week this week. We have the Fed meeting and then COVID cases on the rise. And oh yes, of course, those big tech earnings coming in. What will matter most to traders? What are you really watching here?
I think right now what really sticks out on the page for me is I'm going to be watching the bonds. I think bonds really have been the silent narrative, I think. And I don't even want to say silent, probably that something that I think a lot of our attention this year has been so geared towards equities. So much attention has been geared towards some of the volatility around equities. But bonds have really built a narrative of what's to come in the market. The big pullback we had just about a week or so ago, that pullback was really originated in the bond market just probably the prior week at the prior closing week. So I think I'll be watching bonds. I'll be definitely watching to see any news from the Fed, but also I'll be watching big tech. I'll be watching Google, who reports earnings on the 27th coming in. So definitely watching Google. And I think there's some optimism around what Google is going to report around earnings. They just had a price target increase from Credit Suisse.
So that's a big trade for you, it sounds like.
Yeah, definitely. I definitely want to see some opportunity there to generate some profits. I'm going to be looking to put on a bull put vertical spread, possibly looking to sell the 2630 put, buying the 2560 put, trying to collect about $31.85 worth of premium, risking about $1 to make roughly about 80 cents or so. Google has just been on a tear ahead of earnings. Just late last week, we saw it kind of gap up and really hit some all-time highs. So this trade up just in front of earnings really puts me in a position where if Google does see a bit of a pullback, I can keep this trade on until August, looking to possibly see some consolidation or even more upside generates profits for me.
Terrific trader talk. Thanks so much, Joel.
Thank you, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.